Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinity, also known as Miss Maya Mac, and here on my channel, we focus on real makeup for real people by a real makeup artist. And on today's video, we are going to be unboxing my KKW Black Friday haul. So if you want to see all the products that we got, all $300 and something worth, and you want to see how we achieved this look and what products were used and also what products we purchased that we didn't use, go ahead and keep on watching. But before we go on, please make sure that you are subscribed. But look at how cute this box is on the inside. It's a nude inside and it says KKW Beauty. So the first thing I'm going to pull out of the box is the eyeshadow palette, but it doesn't tell me which one it is. So this looks like the classic palette to me, and those are the shades. We're just gonna go ahead and swatch these. Those are the colors there. Now the next palette I got was the classic Blossom palette. The names are actually really cute on these. She's tapping into my Japanese heritage here. So these are the shades in the classic Blossom palette. I plan on doing my face with some of the products that I got, but I'm actually taking a flight tonight, so I need to hurry up and get ready so that I don't miss my flight. Let's see what else we've got in here. Okay, KKW Beauty Cream Contour Light Medium. Okay, the packaging is really cute. So this is light medium, and let's just swatch that on my arm. I'm kind of anxious to see how that works. Cream contour number 2, medium. Alright, so this one's more of like that cool olivey brown. Okay, the next one is Cream Contour Tan 1. So it's very similar to medium. Doesn't have as much orangey warmth as medium. Let's actually do my makeup while we're doing this. Now I'm gonna be on a flight tonight to Minneapolis, so I don't really want to do too much color because I'm not sure what I'm wearing yet. So I'm just gonna do the Classic Beauty palette. So I've already prepped my eyes with my NARS Pro Prime base. Let's do Fade all over. Next, let's try Florence. I wanna see how that looks on me. Like, I don't really have any thoughts on it so far. All right, so let's try Dash with my fluffy brush. Now, Dash, being that it's a matte, I'm getting a lot of like powder fluff everywhere, like a lot of fallout. So let's, I like the color. I like my mattes to have a little more of a creamy texture, only because I feel like it's so much easier to blend that way. Like this is a little drier. You know when you feel a matte, you can feel if the matte is creamy. Just do that. So I'm gonna bring that color up to right under my brow bone. I like it there. I feel like that's a good spot. That's like the sweet spot. What are you guys thinking so far? Are you feeling it? I'm always drawn to these colors. So let's try Family. That's family for all you non-Asian speaking viewers. Just kidding. I don't feel like I'm getting a lot of color payoff, and when I do dip into the palette, it is very powdery. Now I want a little more depth, a little more smokiness, so I'm gonna just pop Gemini in the corners. You guys, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I don't feel like I'm getting enough color payoff. For a color this dark, I expect that when I apply it, and I'm just not getting it. This is my lovely Tartelette in Bloom palette. You see me using this practically in every video. So in the bottom, that's like an orangey brown shade. That's an orangey brown shade, a little more orange. And then these colors are very similar. Let's just see if this In Bloom palette picks up a lot better. I am going to be using the same brush, and I'm going to just pick up some color and see, yeah, that's what you want. I want payoff. And right now this KKW brown is not pulling enough depth for me. I thought maybe the pencil brush being a little more dense, it was able to pick up more color and deposit directly onto the eye. Let's use Chicago. So we're gonna use, oh God, can I not poke holes in all the new shadows? We're gonna use that right on my brow bone. For my skin tone, I would have liked it to have been a little lighter, a little brighter, but that's just me. I'm sure a lot of people can still get great use out of that color. We use some of that on my lid too because I don't want to have too much color. Just gonna take a blending brush and just buff around that Chicago. Alright, so let's try some of these concealer sticks. So I'm actually going to be using light medium. Wow, you guys, I'm actually kind of impressed by this. I didn't have high expectations for this. I didn't think that it was going to be so easily blendable, but damn. Like, where did my nose go? You guys, I really like this. Okay, light medium, yes, love, love, love. Love it. Okay, I'm so happy. Yay, finally. I'm just really curious to know, because they're so easily blendable and easy to wipe away on your hand, I wonder how long this will wear. Alright, I like it. It adds some warmth without looking crazy. Do you guys see that? So let's roll this up. Let's see how much they give us. Just when I thought I was getting good, it stopped. So you get about 1.25 inches worth of product. The only thing that I really am kind of disappointed in with her shipping is that she charges $9 for shipping. If I spend $300 on your products, I kind of want you to ship my shit for free. I think that's kind of fair. I don't think like that's asking for too much. What do we got next? KKW Beauty sponge. This sponge is really cute. It's got like an egg, but it's like a sloped egg. It's gonna take a lot, not gonna lie, it's gonna take a lot to get me to like another sponge that's not my makeup bullet, because a makeup bullet is just so convenient. When I wet it, it grew. Holy shit. And it's very bouncy now. So KKW powder contour number 4, contour number 6. Okay, so let's do that along with the powders. I got a crap ton of powder because I want to put it in my kit. Not really sure which one I should use right now. Let's start with 4 and just dust a little on my forehead. Now let's do 6. 6 is a little more on the cool side, so I'm already thinking I'm gonna like this more. Next, let's get into the powders. So I've got the pressed and the loose. Let's see. Let me organize and get my life together first. Kind of disappointed in the size. It looks very shallow. That's number 1. Let's see if I can use that under, well, that might be a little too light. Let's get into number 2. These are the Brighten powders. I believe these are the ones that have like that slight shimmer to them. Yeah, I can see a little bit of the shimmer, but you know what? I kind of like it. Okay. So 2 has a little more of a pink. So I think a pink tone. So that would be good for most of my clients. So 3 is a lot more yellow. I think I might like 3 better. Now I don't bake under my eyes, so I didn't really use the loose powder as like a baking powder. I just use it as an all over finish powder because I don't like the way my eyes look when I bake them, and I really, honestly, I'm such a bake hater. I'm like a hater baker. I'm a baker hater. I just can't get into it. I don't like the way it looks. All right, I got a couple of their lip liners. Classic Icon liner, and then I got Nude 1. So let's see Nude 1. All right, so then let's try Classic Icon. So this one here is Classic Icon. And then I got 2 lipsticks. I got, oh Jesus, I'm throwing brushes everywhere. Okay, I got Nude 1 and Nude 3. I'm a sniffer, y'all. I love to sniff things. This, I don't know if I'm digging this packaging. It looks super cheap. This just smells like cheap makeup. All right, so that's Nude 1. So that's the Nude 1 liner. It's very brown, and then that's a Nude 1 lipstick. So Nude 3 is a lot more of that like kind of terracotta looking brownie nude. All right, so let's use that with the Classic Icon liner. That blends really nicely, actually. So those are the 2 lipsticks. Is this a twist? No, it's not a twist. Y'all, I just pulled a brush hair out of my nose. I don't know how it snuck up in there. I feel like this liner is very neutral. So neutral that it kind of blends into my natural lip. So let's see how this works now. Oh, this is really light. Guys, I can't get over it. It just smells like cheap, like baby makeup. It smells like Halloween makeup. It just has a very cheapy taste, smell. I can't say it's a bad color though, because I'm looking at it and it's very nude. So if you like nude, this is it. So now let's get into the Classic Icon liner. This is Nude 3. Yeah, I like this one better. This to me is a lot more wearable. I like it a little deeper. But let's just pop 1 in the center. I feel like this makes 1 a little more wearable for me. I like it. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure that you please subscribe, hit that button below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!